afternoon, everyone.
Good
Good
afternoon, sir.
afternoon, sir.
Today we'll start QBASIC statement. In last class, we read about the operators. There are four different types of operators. First one is arithmetic operators for mathematical operations. Second one is relational operator that shows the relation between two variables. Third one is logical, like and or. This logical operator gives result in either true or false. We also read about string operator. It joins two different strings. It is known as concatenation. Here I have wrote here, it is known as concatenation. In today's class, we'll read about QBASIC statements. What is QBASIC statement? QBASIC statement means any command or the instruction in the QBASIC is known as statement. Means the word we use to write a program through which we give command and instruction to the computer is known as QBASIC statement. Statements are classified into two different groups. They are executable and non-executable. Executable statements specify actions, and non-executable statements specify characteristics, arrangement, and initial value of the data. Okay, you can copy the definition of QBASIC from here. Or the instruction in the QBASIC is called a statement. Statements. There are two types of statements. First one is executable and second one is non-executable statement. Executable statement specify actions but non-executable statements specify characteristics, arrangements, and initial values of data. Some of the QBASIC statements are given below. And this first one is CLS. CLS is the QBASIC statement. Syntax for this CLS statement is simply CLS. Now, what is the purpose of CLS statement? It is used to clear the screen. It does not clear the memory. Means CLS statement clears the screen, but it cannot clear the memory. Second one is REM, or known as remarks. It is non-executable statement. The syntax is REM and we write remarks or comments. Its purpose is to give the remark about the statement or program. Third one is late statement. Syntax is late variable, and we give the value or expression. This is used to assign some values to the variable, or it is also known as declaration statement. It declares the variable. Input. In input we use input and then prompt, or like we called it message. Then never forget to give this semicolon, because the values will be stored in the variable which are given after the semicolon. Input, then we write message and we give the variables. Its purpose is to ask input from the user using a keyboard, or execution continues. Print, to give the output message, then expression list. And last one is int. Int is also like CLS. It is used without anything. It just end is the syntax, and it is used to indicate that the program is complete. So
So may you just show the syntax of let?
let's do an example here. Example CLS $8 is equals to little $B equals to angels $C is equals to school. We will use print statement. Print So let's see this CLS. How do we write CLS? Only writing the CLS. There is no any message, nothing here, only CLS. So here we can write late. Late को statement, if you use late statement, then what do we do? Late, what it says, late variable name $8 is equals to, what is the value? Little. Then we used print statement. Sample print school's name is. Then in the double quote we wrote the message, yes, like this, and we give the semicolon and write what do we write? This much. Control C. My school's name is Little Angels School. This is the output. You will be asked to write what is the syntax, right? What is the purpose of int statement? What is the purpose of print statement? Write the syntax of print statement. So here are 6 different QBASIC statement that you have to write in your copy as the classwork. Okay, no need to copy this example. Only write these 6 statements with the syntax and the outputs. I have sent you the link. I'll send it again. Copy it from there. Okay, I have posted this classwork and homework in the chat. Can you see the questions there? Classwork and homework. Do you understand the question? Once everyone look at the chat, you have to explain the different types of logical operator with truth table. What does this mean? For the question number 1, what will you do? For the question number 1, see this. This is the first operator, AND operator. This is the truth table. If the result statement A is true and the statement B is also true, then it gives true. But if A is true and B is false, then it gives false. This is known as the truth table. This is truth table for OR operator. This is the truth table for the OR operator, and this is the truth table for the NOT operator. This is the question number 1. And what is the second one? Second one is this much: 6 statement and their purposes.
So we have to send you classwork also.
Do your homework. I have sent you all the resources. Copy this, click the photo and send it in the email. Didn't you do about this operator? Syntax, purpose, remainder, remark, comment, late. This late one you have not done complete, Siddhant?
Yes, sir.
Late, then variable is equals to an expression. The syntax for the late is incorrect here.